my blood, it's in my veins. The way touching my skin and you're leaving me hopeless.
Hello, citizens of the Milky Way galaxy. It's your girl Jalen, back at it again. So today, as you saw by the title, I'm going to be dyeing my hair. Yeah, that's so much fun. I don't know, I was dyeing my hair and I was like, why not film it? Whatever. If you don't give a fuck, don't watch it. But if you want to keep watching, swag, your swag. I do everything to my hair since I can remember. I cut it, I dye it. So I went from like dark gray, light gray, like ash lavender to all shades of pink. I'm not like a pro. Each time I get a little better. So I've already washed and detangled my hair. So I'm going to make breakfast, and then after we eat breakfast, I'm gonna come back here and my hair is probably gonna be dry by then, and then I'll start doing my hair. Yes. My hair is almost, well, it's basically dry. My roots are just really grown and a lot of my hair has already lost the pinkiness. I'm gonna bleach my roots and then I'm gonna dye my whole head pink again. Yeah, look at our cubicles. Okay, this one is a mess over here. This is my makeup cubicle. This is Melvin's football cubicle. This is just the camera and some film, but it looks cute. And over here I have like a bunch of crap additional. Baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark. So this is the bleach I'm going to be using, Kaleido Colors. I do not recommend this one. I mean, it's not a bad bleach, but if you want to keep your hair super hydrated throughout, I recommend you use this Satin Ultra Vivid Fashion Colors. This is the one I really like to use, but I ran out of it and I have a whole ton shit of this one because I bought this whole thing. So I'm gonna try to finish this one. But this is the one I like to use the most. It's like aloe vera based. You can literally feel it after you bleach your hair. It doesn't feel dry like most bleaches make your hair feel. But yeah, I recommend this. This is fine too, but you know, I just recommend that if you want to really go the healthy way. This is just like a regular bleach. By the way, I'm not a professional. I'm just saying my opinion on things that I've tried. That's it. Yeah, I'm actually gonna mix it with this developer. It's a 20 developer. It's, you know, this literally smells like chemicals and death. I really want to do a hair care video. I know my hair looks kind of ratchet right now, but I have bleached and dyed my hair so much. And the fact that it's still living and thriving, well, trying to thrive. At first, I wasn't really doing a lot of hair care when I first started. I was just damaging. Till one day I realized, like, yo, my hair is hella dry right now. I just started doing a whole bunch of hair care, and you know, my hair has never broken. My hair grows very fast. I could do a hair care video, how to take care of pink hair and also gray hair, which is a totally different world. Like, it's a lot crazier. Throughout my years of experience, I've gathered some pretty good tips, you know. So I think this is done for now. Hopefully this is enough for all of my roots. I'm pretty sure this should be enough, you know. So obviously you want to wear a shirt that you do not care about, or don't care if you get like stains on it, because it happens. So what was I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna section my hair off. Okay, so I'm just gonna start with this big chunk right here. What I usually do is I just go in big chunk right here. Okay, and once I feel like I have a good enough layer up in there, I try to make another part. This part is literally my life. Like, I always make sure that I put enough that I could still feel it on this side that is wet, and then I'll put more on top of it. I don't know how to explain that. I just basically put enough that it would touch the other part that I make. Yeah, so that I know that no hairs are like missing. My head is starting to burn, but I did all of the top part already, as you could see, and usually Melvin helps me do all the parts that I can't reach, like the back of my head. So I'm gonna call him over here so he can help me. Oh, my light's not it's not working again. So we're gonna do ratchet lighting for now. That's fine. Melvin usually helps me do the part of my back, of the back of my head that I can't reach, when he feels generous.
Oh, you're dying.
Oh, there's latex gloves right there. This, and then
This is not what I planned.
but I just gotta say, I do not understand. Something is
Something's not right.
really wrong, and we gotta get things back where they belong.
I don't know that far.
You could do it. Got a plan.
Man,
Stick to
it's
what
what
you
you
know.
know.
You can do it. Took out the bleach out of my hair, and this is what my hair looks like. Oh wow, I look this crazy. Let me take a thumbnail.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? Will the real Slim Shady please stand up? I repeat, will the real Slim Shady please stand up?
There's parts of my hair that still look a bit dark, so I think I might do a second round of bleaching those parts. Is that a pimple? Babe, come here. Do I have a pimple here?
Oh my god, it doesn't matter.
No, but I didn't have that
Why
early.
do you have it that way? You shouldn't look at yourself when you record.
So as you can see, I decided to go back in with bleach on the darker parts that I thought were too dark. Babe, I need a stick. This mustache gotta go. So I pulled out my little wax machine. But, oh shit, what just happened? Oh, sorry, I unplugged it, my bad. So I need a stick to put the wax on because now I can put that shit with my finger. I'm trying to find something that is sanitary. I'm gonna use a pencil. Is that fine? I'm using a pencil. I don't know if that's fine. I'm gonna clean it up with a wipe first. You know, I don't want to be too gross. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it with a pencil. I'm gonna put a little bit of cocoa butter on my skin, just to protect my skin under it, you know. It could work. Well, just take this off. I'm scared. Okay, that was not bad. I'm waxing my mustache. I'm so scared right now. This hurts. Oh my god. The middle skin hurts the worst. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna put a little bit more cocoa butter on top because clearly my skin is super duper sensitive. Now I'm all red. I just washed out the second hand of bleach that I put in some spots. I'm going to use a toner. I'm using the Wella 050. This one is very, very high. It gives you a really, really dark gray. So I literally mixed like a little dot of it with a bunch of developer. Toning my hair is before I like put the dye on. I think it's really important because it takes away most of the yellow tones. So when I put the pink on, it won't have like yellow undertone. You know what I mean? Putting a whole bunch of developer up here. So I put a little dot of it. I'm back and my shirt is literally soaking wet, but I washed out the toner and my hair is toned. It's still a bit yellowish, but this is good enough for the pink hair, hopefully. Yikes. So I'm just gonna start mixing my hair dye. It's the Got To Be hair pink hair dye. Oh, you can see the back. So basically there's two versions of it. Like how it comes in the tube, which is a pretty like a neon and bright pink, kind of like this. Or you can dilute it with this thing that comes in this packaging that is called a pastelizer. This is a white paste, kind of. You add the pastelizer to the hair dye. You add more and more till you get the color that you want. The first time I got this, I got 2 boxes of it, and I'm still using it. I literally use like a drop of this to get the color, the pink color that I like. And the first time I literally ran out of the 2 pastelizers. I used both of them. What I've been doing ever since I wasted the pastelizers is that I've been mixing it in with conditioner. I just mixed the hair dye and conditioner to make it lighter. And today I'm using this Tresemme conditioner. I think this conditioner is good to mix with hair dye because it's thick. So it's a good consistency. I finished the first tube. Oh shit. I finished the first tube of the pink hair dye and I'm this much into the second tube. It smells so good. Okay, so I finished the first in here. This thing is super thick, by the way. This dye is super duper thick. I don't know how to explain things. Like, I'm not very good at explaining things. But if you get what I'm saying, then you get what I'm saying, you know? Okay, I still need it to be a bit darker than this. So I'm gonna keep adding hair dye until I think the color is good enough to get picked up by my hair. I need more. Like, I have a lot of hair. My hair is pretty long. I need more. More. I had already started doing my hair and I forgot to start recording, so hi. So basically I'm just applying it with my hand and my ends, and then I'm gonna start doing my roots because I'm gonna add a bit more hair dye. This is the color that I'm using for my ends, but for my roots, I want my roots to be a tad bit darker. I'm so good at explaining things. Making sure it's all up in there. Okay, so this is a mess, but you get the drill. I'm just like getting it all up in there. Make sure that it's like in the crevices. I'm just gonna add a bit more hair dye, and then I'm gonna start doing my roots. So I'm just gonna just go right ahead and like do that shit. Okay, so I ran out of mix, so I'm gonna have to add more of this and more hair dye. Hi, I feel like I look like Lava Girl. My foot, literally I can't feel it. Oh my god. I keep getting hair dye in my eyeball and I'm gonna go blind. Okay, so I'm gonna wait 30 minutes and then I'm gonna wash my hair and hopefully it turns out good. Oh, I don't know, I'm a little scared. So yeah, we'll see. Okay, so this is what my hair turned out to look like. It's all shit. I don't know, I feel like it looks a lot brighter on camera. Let me see if I go close up. You could really see the color. Yeah, it's cute. So yeah, I usually always complain at first. I definitely have to go back in with hair dye tomorrow and give my roots a second round in some parts, because some parts of my hair are still blonde. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. But after like 3 washes is when I really start to like the color. Coño. I'm gonna do some parts of my roots again tomorrow, but I'm probably not gonna film that, so this is gonna be the end of the video. What was I gonna say? Sailor Scout out.